been having the piss.
Oh, Cutlass.
Yes! Okay, winner of the show. Winner of the show right there. 88 Olds Cutlass. Man, that's a beast. Out of the 2.5 liter.
Let go, get out of the way.
Yeah, you're ruining the car.
Oh, I would be gone there.
There's a Ford Maverick. And there it is. Hi, Pop.
Hey, Zach.
How you doing?
All right, how are you?
I'm good. Yeah. How about this? Check this out here.
Oh, shit. That is sweet.
Hi, Grandma. How you doing? Good. This is my guitarist, Dale, from my band. This is my buddy, AJ.
Nice to meet you.
I do.
Hello.
I think I've met AJ.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Time ago.
I like it.
We're just stopping out, checking out the cars. Nice day out for it today. Yeah. Whole car's clean.
You brought that stuff up.
Yeah?
Seriously.
Well, not all original. I mean, it's got.
You said something about parts numbers or whatever.
Yeah, I mean, he's got to look at his original file. It's got trans work, exhaust work, carb work, and a cam.
This is your Plymouth Racing.
4 barrel.
Oh, yeah.